Salesforce Certified Platform App Builder Exam updated questions are the best material for you to study all the related topics: Salesforce fundamentals, data modeling and management, business logic and process automation, user interface, app deployment. Share some updated Salesforce Certified Platform App Builder Exam questions here. 1. CloudKicks works on an annual subscription model. When a sale representative marks an opportunity as closed-won, a new opportunity should automatically be created for the renewal. The contracts team works outside of Salesforce but also needs to be notified about closed deals in order to initial the contract process with the customer. Which automation solution would meet these requirements? A. Approval process. B. Outbound message. C. Validation rule. D. Record triggered flow. 2. Dreamhouse Realty is building a custom Lightning app to track its expanding solar water collection business. The Lightning app currently contains a custom Lightning record page with standard components. From which two resources should an app builder get custom components to bring into the new Lightning app? Choose two answers. A. AppExchange. B. Apex Code. C. Import Wizard. D. Visualforce. 3. CloudKicks has created a custom object called Interests which is joined to accounts by way of a junction object called AccountInterest. What is the impact to users attempting to view an account and the associated account interest records if they are without read access to the interest object? A. Users will be able to view the account interest records and will have read-only access to the interest records. B. Users will be unable to view account records that have a related account interest record. C. Users will be unable to view the account interest records or the interest records. D. Users will be able to view the account interest record, but unable to view the field or any information relating back to the interest record. 4. When an opportunity's close date is pushed more than 30 days, manager approval is required. An approval process is in place but reps frequently forget to submit for approval to run the process. How can an app builder ensure that these opportunities are submitted into the approval process? A. Change the entry criteria on the approval process to criteria are met and lock the record on initial submission. B. Use a validation rule and an email alert to the manager requesting approval. C. Submit the record for approval from an automated process. D. Give the manager the API-enabled permission to permit approval responses by email. 5. Universal Containers would like to embed a chart of all related opportunities, by stage, on the account detail page. Which type of report should the app builder create to add to the account page layout? A. A summary report on the opportunity object. B. A summary report on the account object. C. A tabular report on the account object. D. A tabular report on the opportunity object. 6. Universal containers require different fields to be filled out at each stage of the opportunity sales process. What configuration steps can an app builder use to meet this requirement? A. Set page layout required fields based on the current stage. B. Create a process builder to prompt the user for field information. C. Define record types and page layouts for each stage. D. Add the path component to the Lightning record page. 7. Sales manager at Universal Containers would like to standardize what information sales representative are gathering. Sales representative want recommendations, sales strategies and to know what key fields need to be completed at each step of the sales process on the opportunity record. What feature should an app builder use to provide this functionally? A. Workflow. B. Path. C. Chatter feed. D. Global action. 8. At Ursa Major Solar there is a requirement for a new field called Planet Details on the Planet object where users can write detailed descriptions that can include pictures and links. What field type should the app builder utilize to fulfill this requirement? A. Long text area. B. Rich text area. C. Multi-select picklist. D. URL. 9. Universal Containers, UC, has created a picklist field called Status on 3 separate custom objects. UC has a requirement to share the list of values for this field across each object. Which feature would an app builder use? A. Field update. B. Global picklist value set. C. Dynamic action. D. Dependent picklist. 10. Universal Containers uses a custom object called projects. When managers assign projects they set a custom field on the UROject called estimated hours. Once set, users should be able to decrease but not increase the value. How can an app builder meet this requirement? A. Create a formula default value for the custom field. B. Create a formula held that uses the PREVGROUPVAL function. C. Create a validation rule that uses the ISCHANGED function. D. Create a validation rule that uses the prior value function.